I've always liked this busy and colorful Beijing neighborhood. I think it really says a lot about the lifestyle of young people in China today. As you can see, we tried to capture some of that fresh Sunday tune feel here on the inside too. The new A-Class we'll unveil tonight also has a focus on the rear. It's also made exclusively for the Chinese market. The A-Class sedan long wheelbase version is unparalleled in the compact segment. It brings together outstanding comfort, a fresh and dynamic design, as well as top-notch technology. And it also takes safety and driver assistance to a new level. Some features were even taken over from its big brother, the S-Class. Before we take a look at the new A-Class L Sedan, I'd like to point out just one feature I'm really proud of, our new MBUX. We know that many people in China adore all things mobile, all things connected, and all things digital. And we'll bring all of this together in our brand new Mercedes-Benz User Experience. With MBUX, you can tell your Mercedes you are cold and it will turn up the heat. Or you can ask what the weather is going to be like in Beijing next Thursday, and MBUX will check the forecast and air quality index for you. For the first time, you can now talk in natural language to your car, just as you would to a good friend. The new A-Class generation is at least as dynamic and sporty as the previous one. At the same time, it's more functional. You have more room, you have better visibility and many other aspects. It's more comfortable, so it has a fantastic chassis. But clearly, the most important part of this new A-Class is the interior, there specifically the MBUX.